Hi friends, the GDP of India has been declined a lot in this year 2020, and we are going to discuss the reasons thereof. No, friends, we are not discussing GDP, but we are discussing GHI, that is General Happiness Index. So I gave you surprise. GDP is a very dry subject. Nobody would like to discuss, talk about. Of course, those who have interested in it. Otherwise, it is a dry subject. But I started to give you surprise. Not GDP, but GHI, General Happiness Index. Happiness means how we create happiness in our life. Various emotions are responsible to make our life happy, enjoyable, and we can get joy from the various things that define the GHI, Happiness Index, General Happiness Index. So we will talk about what is happiness index and the main factors of there are various factors of emotions. So how surprise effects for our make our daily routine very enjoyable, very joyful. There are so many types of emotions like love, friendship, gratitude, anger, jealousy, friendship, and there are both emotions, both positive and negative. But surprise is a positive emotions that gives us a very nice feel good factor. So we'll talk today about surprise, how we get it, surprise, how it affects our life, and what is the effect on us and others also. Because generally we are very boring routine daily schedule in our professions, services, or otherwise. So in this daily boring routine, we can have some thrill, some enjoyable moments that surprise gives us, that enjoyable moments. Generally, we can have surprise by two ways. First, we have to create by ourselves surprise, and second, we get it from the others also. So first we talk about the surprises, how we create ourselves and make our life enjoyable. Look, we are going for a morning walk, a beautiful morning, a cool breeze, nice clouds in the sky, sun is about to be rise, there are beautiful voices of the birds, very nice greenery, and the sky is very colorful due to this morning glory. But if you just go past walking and if you don't notice these beautiful things, then we have no enjoyment, no surprises about those things. So we can start with a good surprise to ourselves. Oh, what a beautiful morning! What a cool breeze! What a nice singing of the birds! What a fine greenery! What a color in the sky! What a beautiful color! Who is the painter? That who has painted this beautiful color in the sky? These are all wow factors. Wow factors means those things gives us a positive stroke, a stroke of enjoyment. That is wow factor. That is surprise. So we can start with that. We come back in our house, we have a nice tea prepared by our relatives, and then we will say, oh, very nice tea, I enjoyed it like anything, nice tea, very good, wow. Then in newspaper we can read some positive news. Oh, this person is doing very well things for selfless service of the society, it's very good. Then we can have some nice song. We can come to hear some nice song. It also gives our surprise. Oh, I heard this song before 10 years. and it's a very nice composition, very nice lyric, and the voice of the singer is so sweet. He's my favorite singer. These are all wow factors, surprises. So we can create ourselves this type of surprises. These are the examples. You can also create others also. If you are going out and somebody meets our old friend or our some non-person or some our favorite persons, then we will also be surprised. Oh, how are you? You meet after since a long time, and he will also ask us, how are you? Then we will reply, oh, I am in the ocean of joy and I have the blessing of the nature. And we will also give him surprise. So this is a surprise by others also. Sometimes the incidents happens or some person's behavior is as not as per our mentality or as per our perception about him, but we have a negative perception for certain persons, but he behaves very positively. So that is also surprise. Sometimes we are sitting alone and we have very nice thought of the past. We have passed a very beautiful time with some persons. That memories also gives us surprise. A beautiful song we have heard that time, or some poem, or some unknown person's words, or some non-person words we suddenly remember. That also gives us a very good surprise, and that makes our we can create thrill in life, and we can enjoy also those things. We can do some different thing from our routine matters. Just like that, we take our food on the dining table. Instead of that, we take our food on the floor, on the veranda, or in the terrace. We can go on the terrace, open sky. So this is a routine change in the routine. That is also a surprise. We prepare a different type of some food, some different dressing, and you can also sing in a loud voice some song, your favorite song you can sing, no matter however your voice is, but sing. So you will also surprise, others will also surprise, oh, he's singing. And singing is also a surprise. If we sing in that light manner, though these are some factors of surprises that those keep our life very enjoyable. So apart from this, you can also have your surprises also, and by these surprises we can make our life very nice. And not only this surprise is not only for thrill or enjoyment, but it also keeps our body and mind in a good condition, healthy conditions. So it raises our immunity also, because these various emotions effect on our physical and mental health. If our emotions are not good, or some constantly we are thinking about the negative emotions, then we may have some physical or mental disease, or some we will not feel good. So this type of positive surprises is very important in life. And in the last, I will also, in the beginning I have given you surprise GDP, GHI. In the end also I will give you surprise. And in the last, I will give you very important tips. And tip is that we end the video here. That is also surprise. Okay. Have a good day.